ever wondered how humans could possibly travel to distant galaxies within a lifetime? The answer might lie in an idea straight out of science fiction: warp drives. Space travel, as we know it today, is bound by the confines of our current technology. Even with the fastest spacecraft we've built, it would take us tens of thousands of years to reach the nearest galaxy. That's many lifetimes over, making intergalactic travel a distant dream. But what if we could change that? Enter warp drives, a concept that might just hold the key to making this dream a reality. Inspired by the realms of science fiction, warp drives are theoretical propulsion systems that could potentially overcome the speed limitations of our current space travel technology. How, you ask? By bending the very fabric of space-time itself. Rather than moving through space, a warp drive could allow a spacecraft to move space itself, enabling superluminal or faster-than-light travel. In essence, a warp drive could potentially bend the fabric of space-time, enabling superluminal travel. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But what exactly are warp drives, and how do they propose to bend space-time? To understand warp drives, let's first imagine space-time as a fabric. This fabric can be warped or bent by the mass of an object. Now, warp drives theoretically take this concept a step further. They propose creating a warp bubble around a spacecraft. Inside this bubble, space-time would remain as is, while outside, space-time is radically distorted, creating a kind of wave. Think of it like a surfer riding a wave. The surfer or spacecraft isn't moving that fast, but the wave or the warped space-time carries them along at high speed. And that's where the term warp speed comes from. This warp bubble could potentially allow a spacecraft to traverse vast distances at speeds faster than light. It's a bit like taking a shortcut through space-time. So, with a warp bubble, a spacecraft could theoretically ride a wave of space-time, reaching far-off galaxies in a fraction of the time it would take with conventional propulsion. While warp drives sound fascinating, they are not without their challenges and controversies. The science behind warp drives is rooted in Einstein's theory of relativity, which allows for the bending of space-time. This means that instead of moving a ship through space, space itself is manipulated, creating a bubble of normal space around the ship. However, this comes with immense challenges. Firstly, the energy requirements are astronomical, pun intended. It's proposed that a warp drive might require negative energy, a concept that's still theoretical. Secondly, there's the potential for causality violations, or time paradoxes. If you could travel faster than light, you might end up in a situation where cause and effect could be reversed, which contradicts our understanding of the universe. Despite these challenges, the concept of warp drives continues to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike, fueling research and speculation about our future in space. So, could warp drives be the key to humanity's future in space? Imagine a world where distances between stars are no longer an obstacle. A world where we can traverse the cosmos in the blink of an eye. That's the potential future warp drive technology could unlock. The implications are staggering. It could herald a new era of space exploration and colonization, expanding our horizons far beyond our solar system. Scientific research in this field is ongoing, with brilliant minds around the globe working tirelessly to transform this sci-fi concept into reality. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. The development of warp drives could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The importance of continued scientific innovation and exploration cannot be overstated. It's the fuel that propels us forward, pushing the boundaries of what is known and possible. While warp drives remain a theory for now, who knows what the future of space travel holds? After all, science has a way of turning fiction into fact.